Which colors are considered primary colors of light? Red, green, and blue are the primary colors of light because they can be combined in various proportions to create all other colors in the visible spectrum. This additive color model is the fundamental principle behind digital displays and television screens. Light is categorized as what type of factor? Light is a physical factor because it is a form of energy that influences biological processes like photosynthesis and circadian rhythms without changing the chemical composition of the environment. It is a key abiotic component that determines the energy input for most ecosystems. Edaphic factors relate specifically to soil characteristics such as pH, texture, and mineral content. Chemical factors involve the composition of substances like oxygen levels, salinity, and nutrient concentrations. Biological factors refer to the living components of an ecosystem, such as predators or decomposers. Which class of animals is characterized by spongy bones with air cavities for flight adaptation? Birds, aves, possess pneumatic bones which are hollow and filled with air spaces to reduce body weight for flight. This anatomical adaptation, combined with a streamlined body and powerful flight muscles, allows for efficient aerial locomotion. What is the term for the point on the principal axis of a spherical mirror where parallel light rays converge or diverge after reflection? The focal point, or principal focus, is the specific location where rays parallel to the principal axis meet after reflection in a concave mirror or appear to diverge from in a convex mirror. The distance from the pole to this point is known as the focal length of the mirror. The principal axis is the imaginary line passing through the center of curvature and the pole, not a single point of convergence. The pole is the geometric center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror. The aperture refers to the effective diameter of the reflecting surface that light can pass through, rather than a point of convergence. What is formed when white light is passed through a medium that separates its colors? When white light passes through a dispersive medium like a prism, it undergoes refraction and separates into its constituent colors, Vibgyor. This band of colors is known as a spectrum, demonstrating that white light is a mixture of different wavelengths. Which plant movement is described as a response to light, independent of the light's direction? Photonasty is a non-directional movement of plant parts in response to light, such as the opening and closing of flowers. Unlike tropisms, the direction of the stimulus does not determine the direction of the movement. Thigmonasty is a non-directional response to touch, famously seen in the Mimosa pudica plant. Geotropism is a directional growth movement of plants in response to gravity. Chemotropism is the directional growth of plant parts in response to chemical stimuli. What kind of material allows light to pass through completely? Transparent materials allow light to pass through them completely without scattering, enabling objects on the other side to be seen clearly. Common examples include clear glass, water, and air, which are essential for optical instruments like lenses. Reflective materials bounce light off their surface rather than allowing it to pass through. Translucent materials allow some light to pass through but scatter it, making objects appear blurry. Opaque materials do not allow any light to pass through, instead absorbing or reflecting it entirely. What happens to a beam of light passing through a convex lens? A convex lens is thicker at the center than at the edges, which causes parallel light rays to refract inward. This property allows the lens to converge light to a specific focal point, making it useful for magnification and correcting farsightedness. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.